Sunday, my fellow West Coast Swing Ballroom dancers, it's myself, the talented Miss Laura. We are going to show you what we taught for our twice-a-month class here in Herndon, Virginia. First time ever taught, brand new, something been working on for a while. Brought it today for them and for you. So, this first move is off of a sugar tuck. So your basic sugar tuck is led with your left hand leaders, follow his right hand. It's a combination of a sugar tuck and a tuck turn. Okay? Nothing, just front to back. We're not going to explain that because it's just something that you should know, or you can just follow it. It's a 6-count sequence that is led with just one hand. But the next part is when we got a little fancier. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the leaders and followers, same footwork. So you come through on 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to put my left hand a little bit lower, which is in line with her shoulder, and Laura's still turning to the right because it's nothing different as far as in her mind. So just front to back, if you can just see, I'm going to make her do a tuck. So she's going to compress 3 and 4. So she's going to start turning to the right, and I'm going to let go of her hand. That's where everything changes. So the next part is the key to making this work, which is 5 and 6. We're going to do it and then stop on 5 and 6. So after sugar push, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. It might have been a little difficult to see, but we'll make you see it from this view a little bit better. So as she's turning to the right, I'm going to come around to her left side. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. As she's turning, I'm going to let go of her hand, but then I'm going to take her for 5 and put my hand on the back of her shoulder and push her onto her left foot for 6. And guys, you're just taking your triple step around to her right side actually. So after sugar push, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you're going to make her turn. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So I'm making her turn. She's doing a triple. It's half of an ocho. And I put my left hand just on the back of her right shoulder blade. Make her come forward. Because if you don't, she won't come forward. So just show her from this direction. You may not see it very well, but I want you to see the angle. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. I back off the track, give her all the room she needs to make that turn. So then from there, it's into a whip combination. So we're going to add the next triple onto the end of that. 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. She does the other half of her ocho. And guys, you're doing your traditional first triple on the end of a whip. So after a sugar push here, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Push her forward, and I triple step. And I keep my right hand low. As she's turning around to the left, you take it underneath her left arm, just to collect and catch her. And then as Laura's turning, when she feels the arm, she raises it up to get it out of her way and your way. And then from there, it's just a whip. So a regular whip in 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Half turn, walk, walk, and then she's right back where she was. It's a real pretty ending. That sugar, that catch on the shoulder has to work. We'll go from this direction so you can see maybe from something you may not see the other ways. 5 and 6, led with just one hand. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Turn her back. One more time in that direction, and we're really good. Sugar push. Her right, your left only. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Half turn, and let her go. Hope you like it. Hope she liked it.
It was nice.
Vote of approval. We're good then. So thank you guys for your support as always. Remember, click subscribe. It's a free video every time. I post a video every time we're in Herndon or other places I teach. It's free. I truly appreciate it. Until next time, have a great week. Have a great week. Keep dancing.